Hi there, my name's Asha and I'm a member of the Data School's 40th cohort at the Information Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perfect shape making in Tableau. This will let you convert images into shapes. Let's jump right into Tableau and get started. So I'm going into my Tableau public profile just to show you what we're trying to achieve here. Here we have a chart that I created using this technique. If you hover over the shapes, you'll see a character in the tooltip, and then we can also filter that down. I've chosen to filter that by male, female, by gender, and at the bottom there we also have some filters to do with bad, good, or neutral characters. Let's dive in. First, we need to select our image. I'll be using the iconic Marvel logo, but if you're looking to use your own, then I'd recommend selecting one with only one or two colours. So go ahead and save that somewhere on your laptop. Next, I'll open up the amazing website Automeris. This is the software that's going to convert that image into data points on a graph for us. Go and click File, Load Images, and choose that file that you've just saved. We're going to click Image and then Align Axis. Now we need to change our foreground colour. I'm going to change mine to white because that's the colour of the picture I want to convert into the image. And I'll just run that to show you what it does. At the moment we have 248 data points. Now I'm looking to have about 1,800 data points in my set, so I'm going to change the delta x and delta y in the bottom, reduce the distance, and we'll see the number of data points increases. Now, ultimately what we're looking to do here is to have slightly more data points in that left pane than what we have in our data set, so then we can delete the excess. I'm going to settle on 3 here. It's giving me 1,851 data points. Now I'm happy. I'm going to click onto View Data and Download.csv. We'll open up that downloaded Excel document and add headers for X and Y to the data. We're also going to create an additional column called random and add the function roundin to generate random values. We'll drag that formula down for all the data points and then copy and paste over the values just so that we're freezing those numbers and they don't keep changing. Now go to the Data tab in Excel and sort the data by the random column. This step is going to randomize the positions of the data points. Fantastic! Now that we've randomized our data points, we can delete the excess rows. In my case, I only want 1,799 rows, so I'll go ahead and delete the excess and move the X and Y columns into my original data set. Let's take our data set and drag that into Tableau. Going into sheet 1 now, let's take the X and drag that into columns, and then take the Y and drag it into rows. We need to change both of these to dimensions. Now this is upside down, so let's right click onto our Y-axis, click Edit Axis and reverse that axis. I'll also go in and change the shape into something filled, but go ahead and play around here.